Okay, in this video I want to go over how Weave is going to operate with Montana recreational sales. So first things first, it's going to operate as a hybrid location, meaning you can sell both medical and recreational out of your same metric package. There are a few differences with the hybrid location that I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing I want to go over is the customer patient tile. So we can click on that. And all of your patients are still going to be here, but the main difference you're going to notice is when you go to add a new one, it's going to ask you if you want to add a rec or a medical patient or customer. Once you click on that, your form is going to be the exact same as it normally is. For the recreational, it's slightly different and requires a lot less information. The only two required fields are first name and either a phone or government ID. A big part of the hybrid locations are customer groups. So this is going to allow you to differentiate between your medical and your recreational sales. So on your patient customer page, you'll go over here to configure, and we're going to create a new customer group called recreational. And we're going to click this recreational box. So we'll hit add. And now we'll see that here, and you can tell that this is a recreational and this is a medical customer group. Okay, once we have our customer group set up, this is going to allow us to apply different tax rates to our medical and recreational sales, as well as differentiate between pricing for medical and recreational products. So I'm going to go to the accounting page, I'm going to go to tax rates, and you'll notice this is a little bit different. So we'll have our default taxes here, and this is going to be your Montana medical cannabis tax. And now we have this section here, which is our customer specific taxes, and we'll see this recreational customer group that we created earlier. So what I'm going to do is create a new tax rate. We'll name this recreational. This is going to be our 20%. This is going to be cannabis, and its sales tax, we'll add that. So now we'll see that here in our all rates section. And now I'll go to my recreational tax box here and configure. I'll select that tax rate, hit assign, and now our recreational sales will get this 20% tax rate. So our recreational customer group is also going to allow us to price our products differently for medical and recreational sales. So I'll go to inventory, and I'm going to go to this flower product here, and we'll see that our recreational pricing group is currently following our default price, which is 30. I'm actually going to change that to be 50. So we'll save that. And now any recreational sale with the recreational customer group is going to price this item at 50 instead of the default 30. Okay, so now when we go to create a recreational customer, I'll click on the rec customer button. I'm going to give him a random phone number and a name. And then we need to make sure to assign him to the recreational customer group that we created. So this will be the new recreational profile. You can see that he is part of the recreational customer group here, which will only allow him to do recreational sales. In the event that he gets a med license, you can convert him to medical and fill out that information here. Okay, for starting a recreational order, we have a few options. Option 1, we'll go to our customer tab and we'll find our recreational customer that we created. I can check him in just like normal. And then when I go to my waiting list, we'll see that John is here. He's part of the recreational customer group. I can click start, and this will start a rec order for John. We also have an anonymous option for your recreational customers if they don't want to create a profile. So you'll be on your terminal page. You can click the start order button, and you simply have to specify that this is a recreational sale. You'll hit start, and this will be an anonymous recreational order. As always, please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. You can find our information under the support section here. We also have a suggestion box, so please feel free to drop us a suggestion. Thanks.